Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Voyager steamer. First, ensure the steamer is unplugged before filling the water tank. Use distilled water to prevent mineral buildup, filling it to the indicated maximum level. Next, securely attach your chosen steaming head, like the fabric brush or creaser. Finally, plug the steamer into a standard electrical outlet, and it's ready for the next step. Once powered on, allow about 45 seconds for the steamer to heat up and produce consistent steam. You'll see a steady flow indicating it's ready. Hold the nozzle 1 to 2 inches away from the fabric, moving it in a slow, downward motion. For stubborn wrinkles, gently pull the fabric taut with your free hand while steaming. This technique helps the steam penetrate deeper, effectively smoothing out creases and refreshing your garments. Safety is paramount when using your Voyager steamer. Always unplug the unit immediately after use and before attempting any refilling or cleaning. Allow it to cool down completely for at least 15 minutes before storing. To maintain optimal performance, descale the water tank every few months by filling it with a 1-to-1 solution of white vinegar and water, then letting it sit for 30 minutes. If you encounter low steam, check the water level and refill if necessary. If the steamer doesn't power on, ensure the cord is fully plugged into a working outlet. For long-term storage, empty any remaining water from the tank and coil the power cord neatly. Store your Voyager steamer upright in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to prolong its lifespan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.